Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 25th day of September 2025. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others with live money. So here is how it went down. We had a very active trading session today. You'll notice that I expect the next candles to be, about 100 ticks long, 100 to 120 ticks in length. So here we go. What the setup is as follows. We have this massive um, strong candle indicator. You can only find at samuraidaytrading.com. It is an amazing indicator. Anytime you see this, as long as you're not trading into a brick wall, just go ahead and hop on the trade. In this particular one, we're going to enter outside the range of the candle, put a cover order on. If it retraces and I have the opportunity to get on the body, I'll pick it up and move it on to the body. But this market's hopping, so we had to be straight on. Now with this big PVI, we're going to try for massive targets, which we did in the room. So we're going to go for a 20 tick first target, which will de-risk the trade entirely. And then we're going to go for runners of 100 and 200 short. So here we go. Pretty big ATM, but again, pretty big market as well. So this is how it all went down. That's a cover order. If it retraces past the body, we'll pick this up and move it underneath the current candle. So here we go. We'll slow it down until we get picked up, and then we can speed it up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to pick this up. It did move up, so I can move the trade to the body of the candle. First thing I got to do is move my stop to where it belongs. Now, this is the actual market movement. All right, so notice that the trade has paid a 20 tick target. We've de-risked the trade entirely. So if it goes on and runs, we got no risk on the trade whatsoever. We're very calm. It works. Now, if the market comes back and takes out my stop at break even, then I can always re-enter the trade again if I want. So that's a good thing. We get a little bit of space here because a lot of times the market will come back, take out everybody that went to +1, and that little bit of a gap saves so many trades. So let's speed it up a little bit because we don't want to be here all day. There's 4 times market movement. That's what we usually do. And a 100 tick target on NQ at $5 a tick. That's a $500 trade. Plus we got 200 on the 2 times 20. So we're $700 in profit right now, going for a rather massive target down here of 200. Now, if you want to move that target to the S2, because that is the next brick wall, that would be the smart thing to do. But this market is so hot that we're just going to let it keep running and see what happens. Do you see it? We went climactic, the volume. It's just we have volume coming in, so we might as well see if we can get taken out here. Boom, target is out. Now that trade took 4.5 minutes to complete and was worth $1,720. So if you want to learn how to make $1,720 in less than 5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless you. And until next time, see you then.